Hi friends, this is Charachandpur. It is in Manipur. So this is a very beautiful place and the tourist spot place. Now here, if you want to come, you can come because there are many resorts and homestays there. I'll show you it on my video. Right now I'm here at GELJANG resort. This is a resort, and backside this is a beautiful view, and many people are coming here to visit and they enjoy. Somebody is swimming there. They learn how to swim and playing, and there is some boat, but per head 500, 700 you have to pay if you want to enjoy in the boating. This is a big vertical machine. Yeah, the brick machine made in Japan. Right now I'm here at Manipur. Yeah, the brick is very good and best quality. So you can see how they.
There's already mixed with water there, and it's moved to this place.
And you mix some
no water
chemical.
Lên thì trồng miếng nó bằng cái lỗ lỗ.
Then